I can't believe such happiness. Where is it? Left. It left, huh? Here is my love. Tsaira manomeile. Tsaira manomeile graziaose pasauliget. Here is my Lithuanian Airbus. Here is my beauty. But you know, this is not our plane, actually. It is not this one. No. But look at the previous tutorials. I told you about liveries and how you can have your own liveries appearing in the airports that you land or that you depart. Once again, it was not this our plane. We have the small Dragon. And I suppose you know where we are, isn't it? I mean, we are where we landed last time. We are in Tel Aviv, Israel. This is exactly where we are. Yes, and here is our plane. Here is the Dragon. Here is the sweet Dragon of Bhutan. Please be patient. I will bring you the best fireworks to eat. Okay, let's say a normal height is something like this. It is normal height of a man. So, ladies and gentlemen, we will not fly, but I will answer a question from a friend of the channel. Okay, so let's get started before it gets too late. Let us go inside our plane. The engines are still running. Yes, this is our plane. The Cessna 172, the Skyhawk. But the question is not about the Cessna. Actually, it's about the Garmin G1000. The Garmin G1000, I mean. Okay, so let me see how was the question. Clip was one of the last clips, Garmin G1000 Introduction and Basics with the Cessna 172 Skyhawk MSFS. That was the clip. And my friend Jonas Floriani is his name. I'm a little bit curious what is Jonas' nationality. I mean, this sounds quite Baltic, this Jonas, or quite German, I would say, and Floriani definitely sounds Italian. So he writes, Phile, friend, Greek. Do you know how to prepare a random flight plan, adding random waypoints to the map and using the knobs? Ευχαριστώ, which means thank you. I answer to Jonas, almost sure can do this with the general map. The advantage is that through the general map you can add also custom waypoints. Waypoints, as you may know, don't appear always due to discontinuity, so I prefer lots of times to create the flight plan from the main menu. And I think that there are lots of chances to answer your question from the general options or from inside the plane with the Garmin. It seems, however, that I was wrong about my estimation. Jonas replies, there is a way to add specific waypoints to the map using flight plan and the knobs on the map. I must also spend some time to find this. And anyhow, the problem is that Jonas wants an answer from inside the cockpit. This is what I understood. He would have been much more easier in the main menu to select your departure, your destination, to add your waypoints, and just to press the flight button and to execute your flight plan. But I'm afraid that that was not what Jonas meant. So we go here. This is the point. We must set a flight plan here from inside the plane, and I think that Jonas will understand immediately, because this is the tutorial about creating a flight plan, a simple flight plan, Garmin G1000 from inside the plane, not from the general map. Oh, flight plan here, press flight plan. I have already the flight plan. Surprise, surprise, and secret revealed. So it means that I must start again. I must restart the flight. Okay, I will restart the flight. Okay, what to do? According to the previous tutorials, I suppose you know already how to start up the Cessna 172 Skyhawk in, let's say, less than 20 seconds, isn't it? You know these things already. I showed you how. You see, I'm losing time now. And we said that we start our engines in order to have some electrical power, otherwise our battery will be drained. And we are waiting for the alignment, though it is totally useless and unnecessary. So I think I have saved this camera, Alt 5, which is for the map. And I'm also sure that my friend Jonas is quite clever, and seems he knows a lot about avionics and about aviation. This is what I sense. It will be easy for him to understand this short tutorial. So the Garmin map is this one here. It's just one button. This is what Jonas couldn't find. I suppose that he will see this one. I'm sure that he doesn't have to watch the rest. I'm sure that he can proceed to the rest. Flight plan. Here we press flight plan, and here was the trap. You can press anything and still nothing works. Then you go here, you press again here, and it is just one click of the button. It is exactly as we have seen in the previous tutorials with the map. You press here, right click, not left click. Here it is. Okay, right click, it blinks. I think that this is all. I mean, if you find this, the rest is just a typical procedure, and it is easy to continue. So this is just an example. Okay, right click, that was the secret. Right click here, not left click. Right click exactly here on this knob. Origin is blinking, isn't it? Now the big knob and the small knob. Now the small, fuck it. Now the big, okay, let me compose myself. Now the big knob and the small knob. The inner knob and the outer knob. Okay. Okay. Not here, origin, you go here. Okay, this line here. And now the outer knob, the small knob. Scroll with your mouse wheel. That's it. I think we are done. Okay, we are done. The rest is easy. Which is our airport? Ben Gurion International Airport. Outer knob, first letter. Scrolling, isn't it? You scroll here. First letter. LBG, isn't it? So, L, second position, L. Inner knob, next position, B. Okay. Inner knob, next position, G. I will make this shorter during the procedure. Okay, you don't have to watch all this, I suppose. Okay, LLBG, Ben Gurion Airport. Again, you start pressing here. The arrow, proceed, you make all the possible combinations, but only this works. Enter. Okay. You want us to set a runway? For me it is irrelevant. I mean, I can as well set a runway, or I can ignore the runway. But anyhow, if you want to set the runway, there is a variety. I mean, the airport has, how many? 3, isn't it? So, runway here is blinking. Outer knob. Let us choose the runway that we landed. I think it was 08, wasn't it? Okay. Enter. Excellent. And the route is blinking. Inner knob, the big knob, one position down. That's all. I mean, that's all. I could as well stop the clip here, and I'm sure that Jonas knows what to do now. Okay, so waypoints. It shows a few waypoints. I suppose we will continue from Tel Aviv. So this is just an example, okay? I mean, you can have your own waypoints, whatever you want. Next is BG002. Scroll with the mouse. You see now appears this window here, okay? And here we want to type BG002. It is just leaving the runway. I mean, it is somewhere close after you depart this waypoint. So, BG. Outer knob, B. You scroll left or right, depending on what is closer, isn't it? I mean, for instance, now I go down. So, B. Inner knob, the big knob, next position. Outer knob, the small knob, G. Okay, we continue. Inner knob, next position, 0. No, not from this direction. A, B, C. We scroll down. Okay. It will be faster, I mean. Pitch is 0. Next position 0, exactly. And next position is 2. Now we scroll up. Okay. Pitch is 0, 0, 2. Enter. Which one? Yeah, we will choose this one. You scroll down with the inner knob and you press enter. Here it is. Here is our first waypoint. Okay. So we continue. Next is this Suprise. That is what I have written down. So we write here the same way. Outer knob and this new window appears. Okay. Outer knob S. Next position inner knob. Isn't it? Okay, next position. Forward it will be faster, B. Okay. Next position, U. Okay. Inner knob again, and the last letter is B. If you have a variety of selections, okay, you choose the one which is closer to you. I mean, this is needless to say. Okay, so Suprise, is it correct? Yes, so it seems. Enter. Here it is, you see. We continue. And next is BG040. Here it is again, the new window. B. Listen something. Okay, please listen something important. Use this system, not this one here. If you press here, you can type. Okay. If you press here, you can as well type. No. I mean, you don't have any keyboard when you are inside the Skyhawk, isn't it? There is another reason. If you press here this, sometimes it appears also an additional position, position number 6. Or if you have, let's say, 4 letters or numbers, position number 5. And then you can have a mess. So please use this boring system and don't use the keyboard pressing here, okay? Just to let you know, okay? So BG. Okay, outer knob, BG. Okay, inner knob, next position, 040. Yeah, go back now because it is faster. 0. Okay, next position, inner knob, 4. Okay, this is 4. And yeah, BG040. Enter. Here it goes. We continue. Please be precise, otherwise it will be a little bit a mess. You have to delete waypoints and so on, so please be precise. The next one is Fiker, let us say. Foxtrot India, Kilo, Echo, Romeo. We continue, Fiker. Fiker, how is this pronounced? I mean, outer knob, F. Here it is, inner knob, next position, India. Okay, next position, K, K. Okay, inner knob, next position, Echo. Inner knob, next position, Romeo. Here it is. Okay, please be careful not to make any mistake. I mean, enter, okay. You see, we continue. And then we have, which is this one? Rahat, okay. So, outer knob, the new window appears. Outer knob R. Okay. Okay, next. Okay, inner knob next. A is correct. And the last position, Tango. Okay. So, enter, isn't it? Press enter to accept. I mean, okay, it is written. Yeah, I don't like the system. I mean, I really don't like the system at all. Okay, so enough is enough. I mean, we will not spend all the day here putting waypoints. So you continue, inner knob, destination, one more down, because you cannot scroll here, isn't it? You know this. Everything has to do with the mouse wheel. So I haven't written down the airport, but I think our airport has quite strange ICAO. I mean, LL62 is the airport. So destination is LL62. Okay, what to say? The new window appears. Okay. Next position. L. I think it is 62. I mean, otherwise we will have a problem. I cannot find the airport. I don't even remember the city nearby, to be honest. Okay, 62. Oh, no, I will go back. It is faster. 60. Okay. Inner knob, next position. 1. 2. Hatzerim. Okay. Enter. This is our destination. You see how nice? This is surgery. I mean, this is painting now. Okay, and about Hazerim, because what to say, I had the look already. Okay, I mean, you can set the runway if you want. You can as well don't set the runway. So if you set the runway, for instance, you go again here or here. Yeah, outer knob. Okay, outer knob. And I think this runway is not operational. I mean, it is not. I'm almost sure I landed here. Had some test flights earlier. And this runway is not operational. I mean, it has an X. You're not allowed to land here. And this is the runway we will choose. Runway 30 left. So, enter. And again, enter, I suppose. Accept. See how nice now? Okay. Please be careful. Please be careful because you are not done. Now you want to see your flight plan, isn't it? Yeah, it is correct. I will not repeat the same tutorial about the map, how you handle the map here, isn't it? You can have a look at the previous clips. Now we're talking about the Garmin in general, the G1000. So if we magnify here, range, you see how nice? Okay, so you go here, range, right click. I changed slightly the position of the map. Okay, so you press here, this knob range, here you see the arrow, okay. Right click, you press here and you see the arrow, okay, and then left click, isn't it? And we go, let's see, down. Okay, somewhere here. There is a tutorial about it. I mean, let us not repeat the same things. And then you can increase the range, let's say. Okay, here is the airport, and again, the same way. Okay. Yeah, it is a stupid system, to my humble opinion, this system of Garmin. Anyhow. However, and this is why I don't, I mean, okay, we found how to do this, but this is why I don't like I don't use this map. I mean, I prefer to use the VFR map. But, okay, I mean, this is much more easier, and you can see exactly here everything. All our waypoints were correct. The runway that we will depart, let's say, we will not depart. It's just an example. And here there is a turn, we go. We don't go, but anyhow, this is the LL62 Hatzerim, as we said. Here it is. And somehow then we must select an approach and so on and so on, but this is not the tutorial right now. So I think we are done, isn't it? And I don't know if there's something else to show you. No, I think it is just fine. Better to stop somewhere here. Ladies and gentlemen, I will not continue. I hope it was useful. Yeah, these tutorials don't exist. I mean, it is difficult to find such tutorials. The problem is that the other Garmins, let's say the G500 and also this NXI, isn't it? G1000 NXI. The procedure is quite easier because if you press, let's say, flight plan, then immediately you have, okay, the origin blinking and so on, so you know how to navigate. But the trap was this one, that you press flight plan, Then the trap was this one that you press here, right click and left click. That is let's say the puzzle. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, thank you for watching this clip. If you found this clip useful, don't forget to comment, thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, support the channel. You take care and bye for now.